Paano kung partial report may dumating na development, parang yan, si Sandy ko dumating. Bakit gusto mong ipalabas yung partial report, baka ipapakonclusion on with intervening circumstances. Yan ang kalokohan ni Ping. Tapos isusisisihin niya yung mga kapwa niya senador. Ayaw daw pumirma. Wala pong obligasyon under the Constitution pumirma ng kahit anong report ang senador. Whether they sign or not is subject to their own individual discretion. Well, that is what I have been saying kanina, double standard. The motives that JV, by the way, before I begin, if JV says he hates to agree with me, I always love it when JV agrees with me. And I always love it when I agree with JV because we agree on so very few things. Anyway, yan ang sinasabi ko double standard with all due respect to JV. Yung motivation na sinasabi niya kay Salvi ko to save his own skin ay pwede rin sabihin kay Madriaga. That's number one, di ba? He's trying to save his own skin. Number two, why would we block the testimony of Salvi ko when, sabi ni JV, this will give him a platform to propagate his own version. Hindi ba ang katotohanan, marami-raming versions at titignan mo kung anong version ang totoo? Why are we listening to the version of Madriaga and not Saldico? Ito pong si Saldico, hindi naman hearing ito sa impeachment. He will be called as a resource person to the House or the Senate, and there he will be subjected to probing questions from all the learned senators there and all the learned members of the House doon sa own version ng Blue Ribbon ng House of Representatives. Alam niyo po, ito nga ang nagtataka ko, bakit pagka makakasira kay BBM, binablock? Bakit pag kay Sara Duterte, hindi binablock? All versions should be given prominence. Parang yan yung kung napanood yung pelikulang Rashomon. Maraming versions ng truth eh. Then titignan mo, ano bang kapaning-paniwala dito? Kung si Ping ay iimbitahin niya si Saldico, imbitahin niya rin yung 18 Marines kasi kinokorroborate noon yung version ni Saldico. Gamitin din niya ang powers ng Senado para hanapin si Gutesa. Mag-imbita rin siya ng mga kontra, yung mga nagsasabing sinungaling si Saldico at sinungaling yung 18 Marines. Diyan lang po natin malalaman kung ano talaga ang totoo. I-cross-examine nyo, i-background check nyo, but all should be invited. And that is the reason why Ping cannot get the signatures necessary for a partial report. Muna-muna, the concept of a partial report is ridiculous. Paano kung partial report may dumating na development, parang yan, si Saldico dumating. Bakit gusto mong ipalabas yung partial report, baka ipapakonclusion on with intervening circumstances? Yan ang kalokohan ni Ping. Tapos isusisisihin niya yung mga kapwa niya senador. Ayaw daw pumirma. Wala pong obligasyon under the Constitution pumirma ng kahit anong report ang senador. Whether they sign or not is subject to their own individual discretion. Parang yung family report ni Rick Gordon, walang gustong pumirma, dalawa lang yata sila. That is the essence of a collegial body. Hindi porket ikaw ang chairman, that gives you the right to impose upon your fellow senators. Na, pirmahan nito, hindi. You are not doing your duty. Kalokohan yung sinasabi ni Senator Ping ngayon. So, ang akin din dito, invite Saldico to the House in the same manner that you have invited Madriaga, you have invited so many witnesses there. Invite Saldico to the House, invite the 18 Marines, invite yung mga congressmen na tinatanggi nila. Sina Stella Kimbo na hindi sila tumanggap, si Martin, invitahin nyo. Lahat invitahin nyo. And i-televise nyo. Let the people decide who's telling the truth and who is not telling the truth. Let the people decide because the people are smarter than this elite think they are. Matalino po ang taong bayan.
Father Robert, you want to react on the Saldico development?
Opo, si Madriaga at saka si Saldico, di ko po sila parang kakilala, personal. So, nagsasabi ba ng totoo si Madriaga? Nagsasabi ba ng totoo si Saldico? Ngayon, pag kinuha sa isang forum, katulad yan sa Kongreso, there's so much pressure on the person who is standing at the witness stand, who is in the witness stand, to save his neck. No, so whether it's Sandriaga or Saldico, pero yun ang problema. Kailangan talaga go beyond the political and the legal and get to the truth. So kung totoo yung sinasabi ni Madriaga, therefore, nandun yung prima facie, probable cause, tapos huwag nang masyado magsalita noon, i-translate na. Kaya lang, ipag-uusapan pag nakalagpag sa Senado, natatakot tayo. Pero parang kasi, I think, gusto ko lang sabihin at the end of this discussion, hindi masyado na pag-uusapan yung moral and cultural impact ng lahat ng ito. Let me just give you two short stories. No? This happened to me personally. Nung ang presidente si Duterte, lahat ng mga bata doon sa parokya ko nagmumura ng PI. Lahat ng mga bata nagmumura ng PI. Eh kami mga pare, bawal sa mga mura ng PI. Ngayon, nagmumura na ng mga bata. Okay, pangalawa, during the Duterte administration, early 2016, nagsisimula na yung war games siya. Nakasakay ako sa isang taxi driver. Sabi ng taxi driver, Father, okay ito presidente natin. Talagang pag drug addict, drug pusher, drug lord, dapat patayin. Dapat patayin without due process. Opo, kasi ang mga pulis naman, alam naman sila kung sino dapat patayin. Eh talaga, alam ng pulis kung sino dapat patayin. So, he went on and on, extolling the virtues of President Duterte until I asked him this question. Para na po, pag yung anak niyo po ay nahuling nagdodroga o nagtutulog ng droga, ano gagawin niyo? Dadali ko sa pulis at sa harapan ko, hihingi ko sa pulis na patayin ang anak ko. That was really the depths of my desperation. For a father to say, it is okay, killing is okay pumatay. Maski na sariling anak ko, pwedeng patayin kasi okay yung moral campaign ni Duterte. It was a moral campaign. That was their narrative. Drug is destroying the moral fiber of our country. So therefore, we have to eliminate the cause from the very root. Patayin ng lahat hanggang sa drug lord. Pero hindi naman nakakarating sa drug lord.
That's, Sandali lang. We have two more questions from media.
Hindi, kasi yung kay Sandy po, meron nga palang technical problem. Kasi Sandy po has a warrant of arrest from the Sandigan Bayan. So, any invitation by both houses, we have to go to the Sandigan. Hindi pwede yan ibitahin ng walang approval.
Yes, yes.
Parang sa
Correct. Go ahead, please.